From this elevation, it's almost impossible to tell this two-story house is built using shipping containers. This is the frontal approach to this magnificent edifice, and it is built using 2 shipping containers stacked to create a 2-story house. This is a view of the main living space of this tiny shipping container house. This is a view of the dining space next to the kitchenette, and it is next to a big glass window for maximum daylighting. This is the general view of the entire space, showing the lounge, the dining, and the kitchenette space. This amazing living room is given nice decor on the wall with these hangings to infuse a bit of contrast and harmony in the design. This is the same view of the lounge area. There's a mini split system mounted on the wall to enhance the indoor living space. I love this kitchenette. The kitchen backsplash is amazing. The counter space, the overhead storage, and this mobile kitchen counter adds to the functionality and the flexibility of the space. This is another view of the kitchen area. This is a closer view of the kitchen counter space and sink space with this amazing kitchen backsplash. This is a view of the bedroom. Nice double bed within the single wide shipping container. It's a view of the master bathroom. A view of the home office. A view of the extra space in the house. This is a nice view of the terrace space on the ground floor level. The view of the terrace space from another angle, showing the extra access from the lounge area to the terrace space. This is the view from the rear, showing the exposed corrugated container walls, which is in sharp contrast to the front elevation, which doesn't have a single hint of a shipping container house. This amazing property is an active listing on the market, listed for $195,000. It has got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with 855 square feet of habitable space. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. Would you buy this amazing house for $195,000? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love this amazing project, feel free to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container architecture.